A tiny journey begins. The ocean becomes its destination. Every small step brings it closer. Instinct guides every determined movement.
Okay, so to create your storyboards videos just like the ones you saw at the intro of this video you're watching, it's very easy with this easy step-by-step guide I am showing you in this video. You should be able to create it in less than a minute. So all you have to do is to watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video I'm going to show you exactly where to copy the prompt. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from a masterpiece that I've already created. So the work is going to be done for you. All you have to do is to copy and paste and start creating from there. And these storyboards videos are getting massive views on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, on Instagram, you name it, all the social media platforms, and it's monetizable because this storyboard videos teaches you a lesson, so it's actually a part of the educational niche. Okay, so all you have to do first is copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and hit on go. Okay, so once you copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT is going to bring out a whole lot of ideas for you. Okay, so if you go through these ideas and you don't like any of them, or you want to go for something else, you can just type in more ideas. Okay, just type it and hit on go, and ChatGPT is going to bring out more ideas like this one now: how to make crystal clear ice cubes like luxury bars, how to slice watermelon perfectly in 30 seconds. Like, so many ideas for your storyboards ChatGPT is going to generate. But currently I have an idea in mind, so let me just go and copy my idea. This is the idea I have in mind. Let me type it here. Dog rescues a drowning puppy. So this is the idea I have in mind. So let me tap on it, and it will ask for this option. What video duration would you like? So I'll go for the 10 seconds. Just type 10 here. Okay, so would you like to use your own avatar or character throughout the video? Or if yes, please upload a clear front facing image. So I have an avatar already that I would love to use for this purpose. So please, I'll tap on this plus sign and go and get my avatar. If you don't know how to create your own avatar, you can as well comment in the comment section, and I will make a video to teach you how to create your own avatar. So I will just click on go. Okay, so here is our avatar. So ChatGPT is generating our storyboard image now. So this is our storyboard image prompt. Okay, so the next thing we have to do now is to copy our image storyboard image prompt. Just copy it from here, this place that they write create. Don't copy everything from storyboard, just copy it from this place that I write create, and we are going to copy everything. This is actually a step-by-step guide, and if you have watched this video till this moment, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this, because more tutorials are coming up. Okay, so after copying the prompts, we are going to head over to Gemini. Okay, Google Gemini, and we are going to still add our, after pasting the prompts there, make sure you add your avatar image as well. Okay, or any image preference you are going to be using. Then you paste in that prompt that you copied from ChatGPT to create your storyboard. Then you hit on go. So we are going to just give it few seconds. Gemini AI is very fast when it comes to image creation. So as you can see, it's already creating the image. So this particular style of videos is very, very good for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram. Like, you get to gain massive views. So as you can see, our storyboard image is actually ready. Can you see it? It is actually ready. So the next thing we have to do is to download it. So you click on download and image has been downloaded. So the next, okay, so you have to head over to Google Flow and click on new project. So once you click on new project, it's going to open this new interface for you, where you are going to click on this plus sign to upload your storyboard image. Okay, so let me tap on this image on upload, then you tap on upload media. Then here is the storyboard image we just created. Okay, so you tap on the image and click on done. So as you can see, our image is uploading. So our image has uploaded on Google Flow. So all you have to do is to click on here. You see here, here I'm highlighting. Let me zoom it out so that I see it well. They said add prompt. So you click on add prompt. Okay. So once you click on add prompt, you're going to head over to ChatGPT. You're going to head over to ChatGPT and copy this AI video prompt. Okay. You're going to copy this prompt. Now this is the video generation prompt. Okay, so you copy it, then you go back to Google Flow. You go back to Flow and paste in this image, this prompt here. Paste in the prompts. And this is another important part you have to take note of. You tap on this place that the video settings are. Make sure it's not on image, make sure it's on video. Then you put it on ingredients, not frame. Okay, the aspect ratio, if you're posting for TikTok videos, put it 9:16. Then for the video generation model, make sure it's on Omni Flash. Okay, make sure it's on Omni Flash. You select the duration to be 10 seconds. Okay, then we are going to hit on go. So it's going to just take few seconds to generate our video for us. As you can see, it's already generating our video. So you just have to wait for just few seconds to get the video ready. So this is actually how you can create these storyboards videos. They are very catchy, they attract views, they can go